Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 30th of October. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Sagittarius, we are going into your past life reading. Sagittarius also had channel messages for you. Me getting somebody is growing feathers. Me getting something about a man or a woman, and me getting them a turn into one bird. Literally, like them a grow feathers, not scales, them a grow feathers. Me getting somebody's hiding away. Me don't know what type of magic somebody do upon you. I'm getting somebody do magic with feathers. Them use birds for do them magic. Them use bird feet, them use feathers of the birds, or them will use the beak alone. Them kill the bird and take the beak alone off of the bird. Me getting something about one man a turn on one bird. Me getting your feathers that grow from you, or when you look at some of your feathers and you say you don't know what the fuck happening. Now I don't know if you pick up something, or if you were fucking a chicken, I don't know what the fuck you did. But me getting something like that, you're turning into a bird. Or something about your past life, you were a bird in your past life. Something like that. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your past life reading. We're doing Sagittarius. Okay, Sagittarius, let's go ahead and go see who you were in a past life. Oh God, Jesus Christ, Sagittarius. Were you freaky? Were you this freaky? Were you or were you not? Were you not able to be this freaky? Who were you, Sagittarius? We have a devil card. You were the devil. We're kind of also getting bestiality. So I'm getting used to have sex with animals. Me getting something, like you look like a chimera. Me getting you turn on one chicken. You look like a, I don't know what's happening to you. Me getting you mutilate, literally. So you were the devil in a past life, you were an animal, or me getting you were a chimera. What did you do? The Five of Swords, you went around starting chaos, or I'm getting you were the devil and when you see people alone, you just eat them. You just snatch them. You just kill them. Me getting a you go around and cause conflict and chaos, but you're the aggressor. I don't know if you're using birds to do this or something like that. So what challenges did you face? The Ace of Pentacles. No, the Ace of Pentacles is not necessarily greed, okay? But I feel like everybody you have ever helped in your life, you trick them. Sagittarius, everybody you ever help, you trick them. Or they did not know what came with your help. How did you die? The Moon card, we don't know how you did. You just went missing. Or me getting them find your body. They could have found cut wounds on your body, but your body was submerged in water. So it's like, me getting them never found you. Me getting you, they look like a chimera or a demon anyway. So anyway, you died, you hide somewhere and died. Or me getting before you did, you start change out. I don't know what that means. What lesson did you learn? The Hermit card. Yeah, me getting before you start change out, you went to hide. Now the Hermit is usually introspection. Maybe you learn about who you were in a past life, how you did stay. You used to do magic on people using animals. Me getting you turn on one animal. Or I'm getting you were the half animal, half Sagittarius, the half animal, half human. Yeah, you were a chimera. But me getting you used to use the animal them to perform witchcraft. Whether that's dog, cat, bird, but you used to use bird in a ritual for bind somebody to the devil. Or you use shit, you use bird shit, you use something feces. How have you been influenced? We have the Five of Pentacles. No, you not trust nobody. Or me getting this lifetime, you get abandoned because the last lifetime, I don't know what the fuck you were doing with birds. Somebody could have been a bird keeper in a past life and you were a fucking bird. And me getting in this lifetime, you meet them, you try to get away from them, and them still try to hold on upon you with bird magic. Because in a past life, them was a bird owner, you was the bird. So me getting in this life, them still try to hold on you. Hold on you need to hold on those two that soon drop out of your blood clot. That's what you need to hold on to. For why? I tell this dirty cocky man I don't want him anymore, and I don't understand why Scarborough is still fucking condoning him. One big cocky black man, whether you did black, big, do you like to box down Different skin color men, do you like to do that? Is violence something that you like? Please call me. I have a man for you to box the fuck down. And if you're not intimidated by police because he's a rat for the police, call me. Call me now. Call me now. You like to box down men who believe that because they're a part of officers and police that they can go around tormenting girls when I want them blood clot cocky no more. I don't even want to sit down in his face anymore. But to this fucking day, he is still on my fucking dick and I don't have a dick and I know he wants to be pegged. So I don't even know, I can't give you what you want. I'm not a man. And even though you want to be a woman so fucking badly, which is why you don't wear underwear other than the fact you used to steal my underwear, I don't fucking know what Scarborough want me to do with this garbage ass nigga. Wigger. Can you imagine you don't want to give a man a pussy no more and the man stalk out your blood clots? Can you imagine this shit? Can you imagine? We need a gunman. We need a gunman now. Officers are not doing it no more. We need a blood clot gunman. I'm a fucking gunman. Do you like to hit? Do you like to box? Do you like to do violence? I will be your attorney. After you box down that dirty motherfucker, I'll be attorney. I'll stand up for you. I'll come with you to court. I will. All because you don't want to fuck a man no more. You don't want to fuck no man. I only can walk and say, wow, she vulgar. On a blood clot vulgar. On a blood clot out of hand. Condoning a blood clot shit filled. The way all in blood clot underwear full up of shit, and can't even wear blood clot underwear on the road, right? And I want to condone the nasty behavior of a nasty Caucasian man who won't leave a fucking girl alone. She won't leave a nigga pussy alone. Why you won't leave black pussy alone? Leave the girl black pussy alone. The girl no blood clot wants you. Our melanated pussy, your blood clot white dick can't take up in her. Leave her the fuck alone. Leave her the fuck alone. She don't want you no more. What the fuck? This is what's in the condoning, because somehow the mothers have to stay in unhappy relationships and don't mind the fact that somebody's been stalked the blood clot out. I don't care. Sir, let me explain something to you, sir. Even if you own the fucking building I'm going to live in next, you still can't get blood clot pussy from me. Never will you. You better practice. I hope you're drinking Red Bull. I hope you're drinking some energy tonic wine. And I hope you take some blood clot prescription item. Because the energy you're going to need to use for run with the foot down, the way omega blood clot dog every day, you're probably going to need a fucking... You're going to need some more teeth, actually, a matter of fact. Because the way I'm done with you, the blood clot, rotten teeth, them in your head are going to drop the fuck out. You're going to need new blood clot teeth. You're going to need dentures. You're going to need new teeth to blood clot come for me. I'm telling you, this shit is crazy. All because you don't want to fuck a man no more. Wow, she's so vulgar, she's so violent. On a blood clot vulgar, on a mother pussy vulgar and violent. You don't want man to condone fucking nasty fucking garbage ass men. What the fuck is this? Tell him to leave me the fuck alone. Libra, Virgo, tell him to leave the blood clot alone. You know blood clot one man. Tell him say you don't want a blood clot white cock in your pussy. Your nigga pussy don't want him. Can you tell him that? Tell him say your black pussy don't want him. Your black melanated pussy, and when you open out your pussy cheek them, it blood clot pink. You don't blood clot want him. Why must talk out your blood clot? Why Scarborough allowing this dirty blood clot, dirty batty man, leaking batty blood clot man to keep coming into your fucking atmosphere, fucking up your shit? You don't think there's another dick you want to ride? Exactly, but he's cop blocking you, which is why you can't ride the other nigga dick. Tell him to leave you the fuck alone. Your black blood clot pussy no want him. Your black pussy that his forefathers used to own, it is rejecting him like our blood clot CD player reject a blood clot scratch CD, okay? Did you make yourself blood clot clear? Or do we need to go for our own blood clot too? Dirty pussy motherfucker. Dirty pussy motherfucker, and he has a dick. Dirty pussy motherfucker. I'm pulling some of these, I'm gone. I'm a blood clot gone. I'm a blood clot. Your nigga pussy don't want him. Him still a chase that nigga pussy down. Harriet Tubman ran, led the slaves to freedom. But this slave owner keep running down that nigga pussy. I guess his wife pussy isn't doing it, huh? You see, he's trying to shift the narrative. I'm also say something, right? I'm in a business which blood clot man I walk and I spread rumor upon me because I won't skin up my pussy and make them suck me out or fuck me or come inside of me, right? I don't know which man I walk around and tell beer lie upon me, and that's why You successfully have gotten me blacklisted from work, so congratulations. Your dick still not working though. You successfully got everybody to believe the lie and the nasty things that you tell for me, so congratulations. You still can't fix your blood clot rotten teeth, right? Okay, fine. So you have successfully made the public believe that me and the blood clot enemy. Something wrong with me. My blood clot glad say you do that, because if you never do it, I probably would have settled for your blood clot job. I'm glad say you make the public blacklist me. I'm glad. Because if them never blacklist me, I probably would have there sometime and would be like, you know what, it's not working out for me. Maybe go look one job and somebody would have given me the chance, give me one job and would have back to blood clot square when I get working in the matrix and do this again. But lose faith of my dream, lose sight of my dream, lose sight of what I really want to do and would have just go back to sleep. So thank you for spreading the rumors you spread on me. And thank you for every blood clot, corporate, suit and tie person who did ever believe. Thank you. Because it's the problem is 2 packs of sugar. I know how blood clot time works. Someone don't know how fucking time works. Someone think that 24 hours of the day is time. We don't know how time works. I thank you. For everybody who will ever believe a lie, I thank you. For everybody who is helping sabotaging me, I thank you. If you never do it, if you never did all the shit, tell the whole heap of lie on me, if you never met the people them blacklist me, if you never walk and chat my business, if you never walk and chat about me and my family every blood clot day, if you never did that, sweetie, I want to be the talk of blood clot Scarborough. I am the talk of Scarborough now. And it's so weird. It's so weird having this eyes on me. I'm still not have blood clot money yet. I thought that when I had this much eyes on me, but I have money. Apparently I don't. So I know that my talent is outweighing anything that is in my pocket, okay? So I just want to say a big thank you for the big pussy bitches who hated me. Thank you for the suck cocky man them who want the girl them for cover for them because them fuck man. Thank you so much for spreading all those rumors on me, sweetie. You see, if you never do it, bro, I don't know what the fuck. I probably clean up garbage right now. I'd be a garbage man, garbage girl, right? I'd be sweeping sidewalks right now if you didn't blacklist me from everything. Because I would have settled. No, me know my calling really at work. Because that means my calling and tell me if you sit down right blood clot, yes, and read terror. So that is what the fuck I'm doing. So until next time, I'm going to leave it here. And please tell the suck cocky and suck pussy blood clot boy so I don't want him no more. Tell him say the nigga pussy don't want him no more, okay? Tell him say I'm dick can't fit in a nigga pussy too small. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Goodbye.